This transmission cooler barbell is a 6L80 thermostat bypass kit. It ensures consistent cooler flow to prevent overheating. It's specifically designed for these transmissions, the 6L80, 6L90, and 8L90. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. This is a CNC precision milled item. 3 rubber O-rings are built in. It's corrosion resistant, has a lot of durability, and it's made out of T6061 aluminum alloy. Installation is very straightforward. Just clean the housing, lubricate the O-rings, and you'll get a damage-free fit. This eliminates the faulty thermostatic bypass valve that sticks closed sometimes. When that happens, it causes fluid deterioration and the gear train failure. You want to protect your transmission because that is not something you want to repair. Simply put, this helps you reduce risk in the future. I like avoiding risk.